hump off before it gets snagged.
Just thinking that.
Seems like the right thing. There you go. There you go. Take him down.
Right,
Take him down.
Oh, God.
Turn around. Spin on him. Spin. Spin. Get him. You got him.
No eye gouging.
Now fart on him.
Of course.
Like laughing.
Sorry.
They're gonna be so tired tonight.
Laughing doesn't help.
They're gonna be white.
You feel low? Oh, that's not